Hello everyone. The Arcade Facilitator application program is officially live. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to fill out the form and become a part of exclusive group of Arcade Facilitator. The link of the Arcade Facilitator form is available into the description below. Just scroll down and click it. Once you are into this particular page, you have to just record your email from which you are going to complete your whole Arcade program. Once you are done with this particular check mark, you have to just click on to the next. Once you have moved to the next part, you will be redirecting to some this kind of terms and condition of the page. You have to just I accept and you have to just move to the next page. Now you have to fill out your details. The details are something like enter your email corrected from which you are going to make it publicly accessible. So you have to provide your email ID over here. So let me quickly provide my email ID. What's my full name? I have to just provide my full name. You have to just write your full name. You have to choose with the gender. You have to choose with the country. Then moving forward, you have to what you are if you're a student, you are working, if you're a developer. So I'm a developer. Year of graduations, you can just choose whatever you have. Do you have any referral code? Yes, we have a referral code, and you have to choose that put the referral codes over here. So what's the referral code? The referral code is this. You have to use this particular referral code. I will be providing this referral code into the description link. So while filling out the form, don't forget to use this referral code. This helps you to connect your applications to your community and might boost your visibility too. So I will be providing this into the description. Just copy and come over here and just paste this particular referral code over here. But once done, then you have to, if you have already created your account, yes, you have to, right? I already have an account with no or few badges, and you have to just give to the next part. Once you come to the next part, you have to come up over here, and there's been providing, you have to provide your public URL. So for the public URL ID, you have to go to your Cloud Community Partner Days. You will be reacting to this. So quickly just sign up continuous as this particular part. Now where to find this public URL? Let me quickly sign in. So I will be signing with my Google account because I have been enrolling with that particular Google account only. So I have successfully logged in. You have to go click on your profile and you have to go to the settings part. Once you come to the settings part, you have to scroll down and here you will be see your public profile. If it's not public, make it public and just copy this public profile URL and comes up over here and just directly paste over here. So now you will be see like how does it your profile look like. This something kind like this public profile slash your ID profile ID. Just paste over there, then click to the next, and what's there? Yes, you acknowledge, I acknowledge, and you have to just what happens in you will be able to receive a 24 hours within 24 hours to 48 hours. We will be getting 600 credits. So don't worry, I will be create a video how to reclaim that 600 credits after getting an event. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe me and follow for more such amazing updates. And don't forget to use this facilitator code for enrolling in your facilitator program. Thanks for watching this video. Just you have to quickly submit and you have been successfully completed enroll into the facilitator program 2025. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. See you soon in the next video. If you have any query or any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.